say my name.
I like what going in the music video. The dog there prison. Get free. Me about pick him up. Hot girl pick him. What?
Reaction.
Don't know chopping. What's the word YouTube is about TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss? You don't know chop people. There that song from Tommy Lee Sparta. Yo! You know chopping. Tommy Sparta. The song is called Driving Nails. Official music video. It came out like 19 hours ago. You see me? So we're gonna run the reaction for it right about now. You feel me? Go check out the cartel reaction. But you see me? So the cartel. I'm out. You see me? The video they are going bad right now to match the place. Someone to go drop some fire emoji over there, so. And you drop a comment on the video. Also, if you don't know how to comment, drop some fire emoji. Drop a like and comment your thoughts on the song and also the reaction. Make us see what going. Driving Nails. Is it that motivational song? Is it that? Well, Driving Nails. Try probably motivation. Is it me? Make us see what going for Tommy Lee. Run tune.
𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 music.
Tell me say that I gotta reminisce about him time in prison. Tell me say I gotta reminisce about the time when him lock up for. You see me and say, make we see what go on here, man. We can lock in right now. Our family I talk to it. You see me and say, go on!
Driving nails in my coffin, driving nails. $50,000 bill, nothing to my name. The
Driving nails in my coffin, $15,000 bill. Nothing to your name. That's nah, no money for bail himself, you know. Make us see what go on. We can some more. We can some more. We can we can understand what go on. Go on!
things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails. When they're wishing.
There's W's what? Well and what? Well and what? Well and what?
The things mom said I shouldn't do, did them anyways. There's W's in any L's, wins in any fails.
Hear that? There's W's in any L's. 2 L make a W. But the dog say, yo, there's wins in any fields. Well, listen, everything I'm saying, is me I say, we could listen some more what Tommy Lee Sparta talk to you about right now, yeah, man. Tommy Lee, we're there, we're locking, we are running it. Go on.
When they're wishing death on me, God put wind in my sail.
Yeah.
Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine.
He even say, he say it without say it. Any weapons from, you know what? No weapons from against shall prosper.
Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sun.
Behind any mean, that's what I will prevail. More you ever say now?
Behind any mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine, I've seen rain. But never for 1 second thing. You will.
Hold on, I missed something a while ago. The dog will walk behind him a while ago. But up and walk behind him. But the man, you know, fall down the stairs a while ago. I go on. I've seen clock him a while ago and I say, yo, don't sneak up on me, you. Don't do it.
Mean lines, Sparta will prevail. I see sunshine, I've
Just no man back him. Me lucky, the more I see me now, I miss nothing today.
seen rain. But never.
That guy so I reach for his shink. Say, hey boy, me stop it. Go on!
For 1 second thing, you'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings, resistance and rejection. Every door that closed to point me in the right direction.
It's like it remind me of Blessings by Tambalito. Remember Blessings? We don't want to see no handcuff. Hold on there. But yeah. Oh, Chronicle, what I sing a while ago. I have to protect myself. Where you go? Tommy Lee. Oh, it's on your Blessings. Yeah.
All you gotta
Yeah,
do.
no, you're not ads right now. But that's on the remind me of that Sunday. Run back in that tune.
Them raise up the weapons that they form against me. They will never prosper because they can't find the blessing.
He said that same line there. He said that same line. Said they raise up the weapons, you see me, but they will never, you see me, apply against him because in blessing. But anyways, lyrics him said before in a song. You see me, it sound like the same line them say or the same verse them say already. You understand me? I say, listen to me, man.
They can't find the blessing. They can't find the blessing. there's a trail that the world say my name.
I like what going in the music video. The dog there prison. Get free. Me about pick him up. Hot girl pick him. Hold on. Peep the game. Look in her. Look in her.
There's a trail.
Free up. Put on them diamonds them. Put on them clothes them. Step out and free man. Outside. You come out like how cartel come out. Hold on. Let me see if I say come out free.
There's a trail that the world say my name. Cinnamon face pale and sing amazing grace. Police on my tail wanna put a man in.
Fire under our skin tonight. You know? A fire under our skin in the night. They know. Go on. Kiss me, baby. My blood clot.
Jail. Wanna waste my days, but the case looking frail. I see fire, see rain. We dare see way a holy flame. Anything them a try is in vain. Shoot up.
Dog say him see fire. He see rain. He must see everything when them a try put against. See that see everything, but nothing now work. Nothing now stop the craft. No can't stop it, dog. I think I make you know right now. Ain't bad mind. Why not go do about it? Bad mind. Nothing want to do now work. Bad mind. Go on.
The heartaches and the pain, we dare same way, but never for 1 second thing. You'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings.
Hold on, what I'm saying?
And the pain, we dare same way, but never for 1 second thing. You'll never see me. Thank you for the blessings. We just the rest. They will not. They got blessing. The blessing.
Man's a free man. Man enjoy nature. Man enjoy the world. But my question, tell me that from before you always have on a mask or from the mask to the well, there's a face mask, but there's a way the mask them and from the mask to them sitting here to the what you call them sitting here, the skull cap them and thing. Why? Why you always cover your face, dog? And then King start come out in a wig thing and him come out in and out the blood. Well, what that? We don't know that. But we kinda like the unity between him and King. So we not gonna want your thoughts on the unity between Tamale and King. Wanna fuck with it? Wanna fuck with it, you know? Fuck with it, man. When I perform together, man, I'll be a madness, man. Say be a badness. Die, motherfucker, die. Yo, Jad was star. And then him can switch it up and do a song like this. Tamale, dog. Bossy man that take a style like a roll back in your back. You know what wrestling? Anyways, yeah, people want to help me still. I'm just come back in the game. I try to be consistent. This is me and say this reaction kind of, you know, high and low. Because I try to come back in the game. So just get used to me posting consistent and get back in the groove of making the videos and phone. You see me and say, so don't beat me up too bad. What like that? Oh, think me don't want to see these, but drop some videos down below in the comment section on what I react to, and I will be sure to check them out. You did me and say, reaction boss, we are signing out right now. We're going to edit and drop this so you can recommend the next song me react to. Don't it? What is that on my nose? I'm out.